Welcome to the Homeschool Schoolhouse. Can you tell me what this is? It's a fish. Now what is this? That's right, it's a feather. And what is this called? That's right, it's called a fork. What does the word fish, feather, and fork start with? Can you say the sound? The sound is f. This is the letter F, and F makes the f sound. Just like in fish, feather, and fork. Can you say some more words that start with the f sound?